In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your bank details to Xero Invoice. By the end, your invoices will clearly show how clients can pay you, which helps you get paid faster and reduces back and forth questions. First, open Xero and sign in to the correct organization if you have more than one. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the company menu. This is your jumping off point for the account-wide settings we need. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to the area where you control how your organization behaves in Xero, including document styles and payment information. Next, go to Invoice Settings. This is where Xero stores your branding themes and the text that appears on your invoices. Think of a branding theme as a template that controls layout, logo, and the standard wording your customers see. On the invoice template you want to update, click Options. If you only use one theme, you'll likely see a single option such as a standard template. If you have multiple themes for different brands or regions, make sure you pick the one your customers will actually receive. Now click Edit. This opens the template editor so you can change the content that prints on your invoices. You're not altering historical invoices here, just what will appear going forward when this template is used. In the Terms and Payment section, type in your bank details and any payment instructions. Keep it clear and concise. Include your bank name, and the account number and sort code, or the equivalent in your region. If you accept international payments, add your IBAN and SWIFT BIC. It's a good idea to state the currency you expect to be paid in and any key terms like payment due within 14 days. To help your reconciliation later, ask customers to use the invoice number as the payment reference. A simple line like, "Please include the invoice number as your payment reference," works well. Format the text so it's easy to read. Short lines or line breaks make a big difference. Avoid including anything overly sensitive that doesn't need to be on every invoice. Once you've added your details, make sure everything is spelled correctly and formatted the way you want it to appear. Your changes will apply to all invoices that use this template, so a quick review now saves time later. If your theme offers a preview, use it to confirm your bank information displays exactly where you expect. That's it. You've updated your invoice template so your bank details appear automatically, making payments smoother for your customers and simpler for you.